Let's talk about vagina discharge. There's a discharge from the vagina, thicky, sticky kind of thing, some kind of a yellow or pale yellow kind of thing. So, is it healthy or not? So, let me tell you, it is totally healthy because it is produced from the glands in your vagina and your cervix, and it's like secrete out from here only from the vagina, and it helps as a prevention in your infection. It help you to get infection free and also work as a lubrication during your sex, and also it's a natural cleanser. Because of it, our reproductive system and our vagina, it's self cleanse organ because of this discharge only, and they help to keep away the bacteria, dead cell and bacterial infection away from the vagina. So now you can think how important they are. So how one can know ki they are not healthy? First one, if they smell some bad, or smell or odor is there, like some color changes is there, or kind of consistency, thickness level, sticky things is there, that means there's something wrong and you need to see a gynecologist or pelvic floor rehab specialist at that time for the counseling session ki something is going wrong inside your body or your monthly cycle. So at that time, either you are infected with some bacteria, fungal or protozoa, and you need help at that time. Part we talk about the vaginal discharge, is it healthy or not, वो healthy होता है कि नहीं. But in this second part we'll discuss more about कि what are the causes and how to prevent the vaginal wrong vaginal discharge or the unnatural discharge. So the causes can be your cervical cancer, cervical infection or vaginal infection, vaginitis, your infection of vagina will be there, sexually transmitted disease, use of birth control pill, or pelvic inflammatory diseases. There are a number of things like cervical erosion, cervical polyps can be there. So these are the number of things, or you are using the too fragrant soap on your vulva. So these will cause your vaginal discharge, or your wrong vaginal discharge, which is infecting your vagina or reproductive system. So how you can prevent them? First thing is just maintain the pH of your vagina. Don't use fragrance soap. Third, use the plain water or normal water to wash vagina or vulva from anterior to posterior, never from posterior to anterior. And always wear 100% cotton panties and just change them after 1 to 2 months. And also just try to wash your hand after using the washroom, and always use the safe washroom, like cleanse your vagina properly. And important thing, just use with antibiotic, antifungal, antibacterial. So maintain the pH, just wear 100% cotton panties and just wash vagina from anterior to posterior, never from posterior to anterior, means in this direction, from a normal plain water. Don't use fragrance soap or perfumes kind of thing on your vulva or vagina, and don't use like intimate kind of like things like as I already told you in earlier video, because they are infecting your vagina, they are making it prone to get infected. So, and if you get infected already, so you need, treatment according to the kind of infection, like antibiotic, antifungal, antibacterial or anti-probiotic, like which is the mode of your infection. So this is the final and the third video ki what to do if you get infected, how to prevent and treat it. And if you got anything about the discharge and get any confusion, please take your consultation now to Hormonal Wings or to any gynecologist or pelvic floor rehab specialist who is experienced in your area, or through telehealth consultation. We are here to help you, and we are so happy to help you. So get your consultation now from www.hormonalwings.com, or you can just email me diksha66singh@gmail.com, or you can just get your consultation in person too, or through telehealth session too. So thank you so much, and follow me and just spread this video whoever the girl need it. Thank you so much.